Okay guys, on June 25, 2023, now you can see that this is my plant of aloe arborescens. It is also called as candelabra aloe, and you can see that this is a plant of nearly 1 feet. Okay, it is a very mature plant and a lot of babies are protruding out from its sides. Due to less light condition, it is a little bit elongated, but it is healthy. Okay, now you can see that this is our major pup. Okay, and we will cut it out because we want to propagate it from these pups or baby plants. Okay, so this is my first plant, cutting. Okay, and this is my second cutting. Okay, now you can see it. Okay, and I'm just cutting the next one. So this is my third one, and we are not supposed to put it directly in the media immediately after cutting, because if we will do it, it can cause certain root rot, because it is better to always dry the cutting for about 24 to 48 hours, and then we can put it in the media or soil. Now these three are very healthy baby plants, and this is the wood. Okay, this is the wood, and we have to place it in the shade for about 48 hours or even up to 72 hours or much more for healing, and after they get healed. Okay, on June 30, 2023, I am doing the voiceover, so you will not see any sort of change in my voice. The videos are made on specific dates. Okay, now these are our cuttings, baby plants. Okay, we can say pups, although they are not, they do not, because yeah, we can say that these are pups. Okay, now they are healed properly after some days. Now we have taken our pots, which are actually the pet bottle based pots, and we will put our stones or pebbles inside in the bottom of the pot, because we want a very good drainage. These stones or pebbles will help in drainage. Now we will put our media, which consists of 50% sand and 50% simple garden soil. And always use these small pots for small cuttings or plants, because they used to drain very fast. And they become dry within a day, so that our plant is not, or cutting is not going to rot. Okay, now I am putting this plant, the media in the pots. Now this is my electric sprayer, which I have made my own. Now we are supposed to give a lot of water, sufficient water, so that all the media will get wet. Okay, if the media is well hydrated in the start, it is good. Okay, but it doesn't mean that you just use to put a lot of water. Okay, first you need to wait. Okay, and if the above surface will become totally dry, then you can put water. Okay, now we are leveling the surface, and now we will put these cuttings in the media. This is second cutting and this is third one. Now you can see that all the cuttings are healthy. Now we have to wait for a lot of days because they can take a little bit more time for rooting. Okay guys, on September 9, 2023, now you can see that these are our plants and I have put certain green tags so that two of the cuttings seems to be very healthy. Okay, okay, now you can see that it has grown a very good taproot. Although it is a single taproot, but still it is very good. It is very stout and strong root. Okay, it is taproot, and now you can see it properly. Okay, now we will take okay. Oh, I have broken one. Okay, but still we can see that it has one root and some one big taproot and some small roots are also there. Okay, now we will go for third one, and this one is not showing any sort of progress. Okay, but we will put it and we will see it later. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can grow new plants of aloe candelabra or aloe arborescens from already existing plants. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.